to be doing an jewelry or accessory haul by Shein. So I know I did something like this with Fashion Nova, so I wanted to give Shein a try. I did see a lot of people rave about their accessories, so I said, you know what, let me try them out. So as you can see, I'm wearing some of the pieces that I did purchase, so stay tuned for the video. I will show you all the items that I did get, as well as the pricing. They are pretty affordable. Very affordable, which I love, so it's perfect for your summer accessory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at jo.taynique, on Snapchat at jo.taytay, and let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so first up, the first item that I did get was some bracelets. So I did see this bracelet set on Shein. It was like $1 and change. I will put all the links down below in my descriptions, but it did come with 3 for a very affordable price. I love how it's giving me the chain Cuban, and it has different type of chains as well. These will pair perfectly with your Cuban link necklaces, even layering. Nice bangles. They are great quality, and they are big enough to fit any wrist type. I have a smaller wrist, so I love that it's still giving me enough room to dangle it. The second item that I did purchase were these beautiful earrings. I don't know what they're called, but they're really nice. They're like a circle thick hoop, and I really love this. I did see this online. I know it's in trend right now, where it has like these big thick Congo hoops. They have smaller versions to it. I actually decided to go with these just because I like my earrings to be a lot bigger, and I really love this. It is good quality. I hope it doesn't rust. I don't know how long these jewelries will last. They aren't 14 karat gold, so they might last a little bit, but they will rust eventually. But I really love this. This is a pretty nice, cute earring to pop out, especially with this top. They're very affordable. I think it was like $1.50 for these. They have different options. They have them smaller, or it could come in a set of 10. So you have a very wide option to choose from on the website. They aren't 14 karat gold, so they're not gonna last you an eternity, but I'm gonna see how long these jewelry last and probably do an update on how long or if they tarnish or anything of that sort. Okay y'all, so this is the update. So you have to keep in mind that it is a cheaper material for a cheaper cost. It is fast fashion, so it's not going to last you very long. You can get a good wear out of it like 3 or 4 times, but that's pretty much it. Next item I got was this beautiful bracelet. I saw this online and I fell in love with it just because I love the design. It's giving me very Egyptian, noble type of bangle bracelet. These used to be like the back in the days when, you know, when you're younger, you had all the big bangles that you put. This one is reminding me of that. It is really nice. This will go perfect with your streetwear looks. Definitely a nice gold, so it will add to your overall outfit aesthetic, and very affordable. I don't know if you guys remember when you were little, you used to have these bracelets, especially growing up in the islands. We used to have like these little bangles around our wrists as babies, and it's just bringing back those memories. It comes in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have a variety of options to choose from. You can layer them and stack them how you may please. But I love the bangle and they're super cute. So the next bracelet that I got is this pretty Cuban chained linked bracelet. This matches my Fashion Nova Cuban link necklace with the diamonds in it, and it has a cute little lock right here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on. It's like a 3-in-1 layered chain bracelet. It is really nice. As you can see, I just like that it adds a nice touch to my outfit. I will post a picture right here of the outfit that I actually wore this with, so you guys can get an idea of how to style it. So next up, I got these beautiful dangly earrings. These are like beachy inspired. I love the spiral design. It's giving me very tranquil, spiral, like brass. Like, I just love these earrings. I really got these to go with my picnic bags and my beach outfits, so I really love these earrings. They were very affordable as well, amazing quality, And yeah, I hope these last me very long because they are cute and they look really nice with this top as well. I did get these beautiful earrings. I really fell in love with these earrings just because they are very different. These really bring me back to the days where I used to wear a lot of dangly earrings that were pop out colors. And this one is a definite must. It is a good quality earring. It doesn't seem like it will be easy to break. It is a nice pop of color that you can wear with any type of outfit. It's like that rustic orange, rustic red. I love that it's not heavy at all. It does not weigh down my hair, and it comes with a nice clasp in the back to keep them very sturdy. But yeah, this earring can go with a lot of outfits, and it's just overall beautiful. Next up are these beautiful gold earrings. I really like these earrings. They are very simple. They are like a crisscross type of design. You guys probably seen this on my TikTok. I did make a little video and I did a reel on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, follow me at jotaynique on Instagram and jotaynique2 on TikTok to see my haul. I'm actually trying them on so you guys see what they look like. So next up are these beautiful square earrings. I saw these online and I fell in love with them. They are different compared to your circle hoops, so I felt that this would be nice for my streetwear looks. I would highly recommend that you guys get this because it's giving you a different look to your outfit. Next up, I got these straw bamboo looking earrings. They are pretty simple. I like the triangle designs. These will be really nice with your casual beachy looks as well. You know, it's playing into the straw design. I love that they are gold. They're very lightweight. They're good quality, and I don't think they will break on me. So I think this is another good cop. For sure, I would say definitely check out Shein's website and see the different accessories or earrings, necklaces. I really like these earrings. They are very cute and very versatile and can go with any of my looks. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this Shein accessory haul. I did get a couple of different items which I truly love, and I hope you guys check them out as well. Get you some nice accessories to bring out your summer look. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at jotaynique, on TikTok at jotaynique2. And thank you guys so much for the endless love and support. Stay tuned for future fashion videos. I will be dropping those soon. Thank you guys. Bye.